This is string design. First, you dip this one into the color.
Use this one.
Now, first we need to do it like that, and next, let's pull it out. Next, let's put this one over here. Next, this one is the color yellow, and let's spin it around. Come on! It's gonna be late. Hey, come on, yellow! You crazy. Come on. There we go.
Sit
Now do it like that. Now spin around like that. Spin and around. Come on. Dude, stop shaking like a scaredy cat. Next, this one is color blue. Color blue.
What?
Come on. Okay, let's take this away. Okay, next is here. Come on, dude. Stop shaking like a scaredy cat. Just like him. Okay, next, the last one is color blue. Now what? Come on! Cool. Ahmed, stop shaking like a scaredy dog. Okay, now that's better now. There we go. Now it's not much better. Take a look at the color. That's cool. Come on again. You're shaking again. Stop shaking. Stop shaking. Oh, that's out. Now first we have to start with color green. Okay, now color blue. Next, the black one is this. So let's see. Now, open and wow, that's cool.
Show it.
Look, guys. There.
So let it dry now.
Let it dry for a minute.